Hi everyone, my name's Tori from GGM Concepts, and this is my E46 BMW 13B Turbo with lime green RAPTOR coat. We're here at GGM Concepts, and this is my E46 13B Rotary Turbo RAPTOR BMW. It's something I've been playing around with for a little bit now. It's got niche wheels on it, 20 by 10s on the front, 20 by 11.5s. It's got full custom driveline, so FD RX7 13B Turbo, 5-speed, carbon fibre inserts, splitter, pen and body, wide body in it. Custom body underneath to widen for the wheels, coilovers, full custom exhaust. Everything is built in-house. Beauty about it is I can put it all back to standard if I want to, but no chance of that happening. Yeah, it's just a fun car to drive. Makes about just over 300 at the wheels on low boost. We start off with a half cut with an RX7 FD, so Series 6 RX7. Got rid of all the pollution gear, all the non-necessary bits, as you can call it. Had an idea of doing something different with the BMW. Be honest, didn't know how we're going to do it, and we just played around for it and it sort of fell into place. And yeah, all custom engine mounts, custom exhaust manifold, where the turbo's mounted is all custom, dump pipes all custom, everything's all handmade in-house, all their mounts, brackets, you name it, we built it all in-house. Runs a lot of the brands that we use here at Concepts. So a lot of Racework stuff, SAS stuff. So the catch can overflow bottles, all SAS and Raceworks. A lot of ProFlow gear on it as well. You know, so basically we wanted to use everything that we use in-house and sell as well on, well, our own cars. So we can give feedback and talk to customers that we sell to. That's also why we did in the RAPTOR as well. Yeah, it's still got BMW radiator, but custom, front mount intercooler. It runs a Microtech system with the powertrain digital computer in here. It also runs electronic power steering. So the only thing that runs off the motor is the alternator. Yeah, makes a lot of noises and it's a lot of fun to drive. So in here we have powertrain digital dash. We have a Davies Craig control system for water pump, thermo fans. We have a cube shifter, full billet short shifter. Basically everything else is pretty much stock to a BMW. They did pretty well from factory. It has the two-door M3 seats in it, aftermarket Momo steering wheel, and that's about it. We full wired this all up in-house as well. Basically trying to do everything and anything in-house. So in the boot, there's only a couple of things that changed really. We've taken the original fuel tank out that's underneath the back seat and replaced it with a ProFlow baffled fuel cell. It's got a 800 horsepower ProFlow pump in it. It's capable to hold 2 pumps in it if it needs to. That's basically it. Try to sort of keep it stock, really. And still have the trims inside and all that, and try and keep a bit of originality. Wrapped it about 2 years ago now, and this car originally was silver, factory silver, and we did the wide body kit on it first initially, so that's all fiberglass paneling there. And then the rear wing, I actually bought a rear wing for this car, but they sent me the wrong one, so we actually handmade all the little corner pieces and molded it all in. So this is actually metal and fiberglass. It actually does use other products like U-Pole, SMC to bond it and flush it all in. And then the RAPTOR was all done over that. Still runs the original plastic bumpers, plastic door handles and plastic trims, and the little roof spoilers plastic as well. Everything was all prepped with 180 grit and 120 grit. Depending on the surface that it was, to obviously get the RAPTOR to bite in how it's supposed to. It looks as good as it does when we painted it. We literally painted it with everything on the vehicle as it sits except for the door handles and a couple little trims, just to see how it'll perform and all that. Obviously we took it all off to rub it, so all the edges were done properly, so you don't get that flake in between closed panels and all that. But we sort of just wanted to see how it was if we need to do a quick respray on someone's car that couldn't afford a full-on detailed job, basically. It was tintable, so we used about 100 ml of solid green that we got mixed up custom to each litre of the Raptor. And I reckon, I'm pretty sure we only did about 4 coats over the whole lot with a variable gun, which the variable gun is amazing, obviously, because it puts down more product. And it's not as coarse as if it was with a Schultz gun. And I didn't want it the full coarse texture. I wanted, so you knew it was Raptor, but it still looked flat from a distance. I'm very happy with that. To be honest, it draws a lot of attention. A lot of people come up and want to rub it and all that. Some people have called it a green basketball. It's actually really good. I'm super stoked with it. It's a bit more forgiving than some of the other paint jobs that you can do. So, and that's why we love it. That's why we use it. A lot of the applications, a lot of the restorations that we do and all that as well underneath, wheel tubs, engine bays, all that sort of stuff. Yeah, it's just awesome product.